Hi guys, so today again we come with another informative video. As I told you that we will come with another informative video, so today I also come with another video. So we will make long squeeze masala recipe. This is Lauki masala recipe, also Lauki gravy, Lauki masala, or you can see this long squeeze gravy curry recipe. So for this we already took all this ingredient. You should need all this ingredient. For example, we took like onion, tomato, green chili, green coriander for garnish, and this long squeeze we took. We have to this peel, and then we have to cut. I will show you. And in spices we took like ginger garlic paste. Already I made this. As like coriander powder, 1 spoon we will take. 1 spoon this red chili powder, black pepper half spoon, salt to taste, tomato paste little, and this garam masala half spoon, this turmeric powder half spoon, and then we took this cumin seed and also this cloves also. So all this ingredient we need to make our this long squeeze masala recipe. So please see this video till last, and also like this you need utensils, this one, and we will make. So we will show you in this recipe step by step. If you are new on this channel or still not subscribe our channel till now, please subscribe and tell to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So first what we will do, first we have to peel our long squeeze, and then we have to cut slice. I will show you. Then little bit saute, we will saute in oil. Then we will make gravy our like onion and this ginger garlic paste and gravy, and then we will this masala, and then we will put long squeeze in it. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. So let's start. I took 2 pan. Here we will make our gravy, and here we will saute our this long squeeze. Okay, and I already cut our long squeeze like this size. Okay, and this our onion and tomato and green chili. So we have to grind first our this onion, and then we have to grind this tomato to make tomato puri. Okay, so we have to grind our this onion. Okay. So I already grinded our onion. Okay, and we have to wait for heat our oil. So we will put first this our cumin seed, and then we will put our this onion. Now our this oil already heated, so you just put this your cumin seed. Okay. Okay. Then now I add my onion here. So we have to cook this till 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, then we will add the paste here. Okay, so now we have to grind our this tomato to make our tomato puri. Okay, so we have to grind it. So we already made our this tomato puri also here. So now 3 to 5 minutes is finished. We add this like ginger garlic paste. Okay, 2 spoon like this. Our ginger garlic paste you just add. Okay, and have to mix, and again 2 to 3 minutes cook. Then we will add here all our spices as I show you before. Okay, so now this 2 to 3 minutes finished. Now I added all spices. So we have to mix this and have to cook again 3 to 5 minutes to cook well this our spices. Okay, then we will add our here tomato puree which we made. Okay, so now this 3 to 5 minutes finished. We just add our this tomato puree here. Okay, and have to cook again 3 to 4 minutes. Then we will add our this a long squeeze for a saute, because here already our oil heated, so we have to put. Okay, so we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So our oil already heated, so you just put your long squeeze here, little saute, not too much, only little we have to saute, because to give taste. Because this will be sauteed, so this will be little taste. And here we put this whole green chili also here, okay, like this. Whole green chili you just put, okay. So I cover this and have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. When this our ready, this sauteed, so we will add this one here, okay. So now we have to check our this gravy. Oh, this is maybe ready, it's already cooked. So we have to put our this long squeeze yellow dish sauteed. So we have to transfer this our long squares here, okay. You remove this oil and just like this put here, okay. We have to transfer this here in this gravy, okay. And have to cook 10 to 15 minutes in this gravy, okay. So now we already put long squeeze here, and now we have to cover this and cook this maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So I will show you after 10 to 15 minutes. And I already chopped our this coriander. When this will be done, so we will put garnish our this gravy, okay. 10 minutes finished, we have to check our this gravy. Oh wow, so this is ready, is maybe 80% done. So now this is 80% done. You just check this like this, should be like this thickness. So now little we have to put this our tomato paste. So again 5 to 10 minutes we have to cook, okay. Little, not too much, only little we have to put this tomato paste to give thickness our gravy, okay. And we have to cook again 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will put our this green coriander for garnish, okay. So now we have to go again 5 to 10 minutes, okay. So I cover again and have to cook again, okay. So now this 10 minutes already finished, so we have to check again this our gravy. Oh wow, so this is ready now. So you just see this, the color and also texture. See, like this should be this color, and also this thickness should be like this. And now we put this little garnish this like green coriander. And now this is ready to serve. So you can serve this with rice or paratha or chapati or anything you can eat this, okay. So now we have to serve. I will show you. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. So now this is our delicious long squeeze gravy ready. So now you can eat with this paratha or rice or any chapati. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us in which video you want. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Well, Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to like and share and tell to your friend also. Because if you will click bell icon, so this by notification you will get all informative videos which we upload daily. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. So till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.